If we look at atta and other packaged foods around here, packaged foods are being taxed from about 12 to 18%. So there is a new GST rule that they will become more expensive if they taxed at 12 to 18%. And even edible oil, for that matter, it is an essential commodity in the house. We look at biscuits here. Biscuits are being taxed at about 18%, and because of which, if your child loves to eat biscuits at home, the earlier levied tax was about 11%. So biscuits will definitely become expensive. If we look at sauces and jams over here, the preservatives that are there, sauces are also packaged foods, and they are also going to become expensive for your budget. And if we look at cornflakes, that forms a very important part of breakfast in many homes. Cornflakes, which were earlier levied a tax of 9%, will also become expensive. They are being taxed at 12%. And also, if we look at cheese and butter, it will certainly be less expensive for you now, because earlier it was taxed till about 14%, but now cheese and butter and milk products such as these packaged ones will come under the 12% tax bracket. So this is how your new household budget is going to look like.
It is that time of the month where a family sits down together and plan for their monthly household budget. But of course, this time around, the situation is little different. The family is in a state of dilemma and confusion, because there are list of goods and services which will become costlier, and these are the essential commodities and products which are needed in day-to-day life, and it's the ideal time to check right now. So of course, if we begin with tea and coffee, both of these products will be now taxed at 5% with the GST, and of course they are currently taxed at 3%. And of course, personal care products like the sunscreen lotions, the shampoos, perfumes, all of these will be taxed at the highest tax rate slab, which is 28% from the current 22%. And lastly, when we talk about the mobile bills, the telephone bills and the internet bills, all of this, the telecom services also will be impacted here, because it will see an increase from the current 15% to 18%. And also the basic need of life like the Wi-Fi services, the internet services, the courier services, all of this will see an impact. Of course, it will become costlier once GST is implemented. And lastly, when we talk about the building maintenance charges, residents who are staying in a society will have to shell out 3% of more tax from current 15% to 18%, which is 3% additional tax burden. So lastly, if you add all of these little products which are essential in day-to-day life, then the consumers, the residents, they say that it will have a huge impact on their monthly household budgets.